Hello, this is Nick with Albert Air, and today I'm going to show you a Carrier furnace and coil that we moved to the attic. So before I get into everything, please like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also make sure you check out the video I did on the outside condenser for this house, the Slimline Carrier 37 MURAQ. And if you need an estimate on a system like this and you're in the Orange County, California area, please give me a call at 714-526-6368 or visit us at albertair.com. So we moved this furnace from a closet on the opposite side of the house up to the attic and redid the ductwork and added returns in the ceiling. So this house would actually cool better and update the system that is a lot more efficient and quieter. So up here we have a Carrier Comfort Series furnace. We have the evaporator coil right here. We put those horizontal. We did cut a new flue vent through the roof. We had to relocate the gas line and electrical up here. We put a platform down to access everything. And then we added 2 returns, 3 new supplies, and then redid the rest of the ductwork. So obviously there's some drain lines that we ran out, a primary and a secondary. We added a light switch up here. So there's a lot of infrastructure that has to be moved to the attic to accomplish this. But once you get it up here, we're able to make this system run a lot more efficiently by doing a different type of ductwork system. So it's designed a little differently because now our return air is in the ceilings in this house, and we're able to pull out heat faster, and we added more ducts so we can put cold air in faster. So I'm going to take a look downstairs. I'm going to show you everything we did down there. So we did have to increase the size of the attic access as well. So we put a pre-framed attic access right here, 22 by 30, to get everything in the attic. Back here are the bedrooms. We have bedroom, master, and then 2 bathrooms. So we did all new grills for those rooms, and we added a bigger supply to the master. Then we did one of our return grills right here. So this is where our filter is going to be. And this is the larger of the 2 returns. It's going to pull out a lot of air out of this area of the house. And then if we go into the living room area, you can see we put another small return over here to help this side of the house. So this is a 14 by 14 return. There is a filter in there, and there's 2 clips right here to open that up to get to the filter. We added a supply right here in the ceiling. And so now we're able to get more air in this room right here because there's only one beforehand in this area. And then over in the kitchen area, we just had one in the very back over here. So we added another to the dining area. So we're going to get more airflow in this area. Now this is a 1960s house. So, you know, typically these houses aren't designed as well as they are today. So we kind of have to deal with existing conditions and make sure we update them as needed so they can cool and heat properly. And we do that all with the ecobee thermostat. So this is a Wi-Fi enabled thermostat. We're able to connect to it with our phones or tablets or computers, change the temperature remotely. It has a whole bunch of cool settings in it. You can do an auto setting to set high and low for heat and cool. There's advanced scheduling. You can get weather data, all that stuff. It also comes with a remote sensor that is over here. In this remote sensor, we can set in any room, and it will sense the temperature in that room when you're in it. It knows you're there because it has infrared. And when you're not there, it won't sense the temperature in there, and will just go off what the thermostat is sensing. So it's nice for a very hot room in the house, and if you go occupy it, it will average the temperature out. Let's go take a look at the closet that we pulled everything out. So if you go all the way to the back of the house in the laundry room, there's our return air right here. So that's where all the heat was being brought out before. And then all the ducts were distributed through, you know, the top of this closet through the house. So the back bedrooms really got no air. The return air is in a laundry room next to a kitchen, which doesn't really work. It's not pulling out heat centrally in the house. So that's why we decided to move it to the attic. We added a return right here, like I said before, which is going to help this area of the house. And then for the bedroom area, we added that return right there. So all in all, this is going to be a great system now for the customer. It's a lot quieter because we did move it to the attic. They're not going to hear it running, turning on and off. The return air grills are placed in a way that they're going to pull out a lot of heat from multiple areas of the house. So the more heat you can pull out, the faster. More cold air you can put in faster, the more efficient the system will be. It will cool the house a lot faster on a hot summer day. So again, if you have any questions about a system like this or want an estimate, leave a comment in the section below. Give me a call at 714-526-6368. I'd be happy to help you. Carrier makes an array of systems all the way from a single stage up to variable speed, and we also do heat pumps and ductless split systems. So yeah, let me know if there's anything else that people want to know about moving to an attic. And I think it's a great thing for people to do if you have something that's not working properly. Another common thing is a furnace in a garage or in a two-story home. It's downstairs and the upstairs never gets cool. So that's another scenario where we do move these systems to the attic so they perform better and the customer is a lot happier with how it cools an area of the house that normally wouldn't cool very well. All right, well, thank you for watching. Have a great day.